No! All those trout and they're not hitting.
They were chasing it. They're probably educated.
Ooh, there you go.
There you go.
You got an uneducated one.
Yeah. First Alaskan fish. And pliers, you got them.
I'm wetting my hand. Caught someone else's fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fishing line here. From someone else.
Yeah. No, somebody else's line here. They left some garbage. It's down the ground. There he goes. Nice.
Oh, he missed it. Oh, that was nice. Maybe a 10 inches. Oh, that happened. Oh, I got one.
Oh, I lost him.
Accidentally snagged him. Oh my goodness, look at them all.
Yeah.
There's like 50 of them falling.
Oh, he's really at something.
Oh, one. Oh. Smack. Ooh, that was, that's a nice one. That's a better one.
Yeah. Pretty little guy.
Chunk. That's a green one. He's nice and green. Oh, I have one following it. Oh, he missed it. It's crazy. I have like 15 of them following
Yeah.
at once. But they're like not too. Look at them. Look at them following it, but they're not like too aggressive. When they see you, they run away.
Yeah.
It's a bad thing. The water's so clear, they see you so easily. Oh, one smacked it. There's a million of them in here. On this side. They like jump out of the water for it. Oh, one smoked it. They miss it a lot. There's a lot over there. I see. Right. Ooh, smoked it. Oh! This is fun. This bait's a little bit too big for him.
Take your time. Don't need to horse them, they're tiny.
Nice jump. Oh, I popped off.
Oh, yeah, take your time. Take your time.
Oh, that's a pretty one. That cut. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, he got like all three of the trebles. Oh, colors on that little dude. He might not live.
Need the pliers?
Maybe. Well, he's hooked like there. Oh, there. Oh, one following it. Hot pursuit.
There you go.
It's going crazy. It's going crazy. It's going crazy.
Want a picture of them?
Yeah, sir. Come on.
Well, them up in front of you if you want. Whoa!
That's the biggest one of the day. Quit it, quit it, quit it, quit it.
Need a plier?
I got it. There it is. There's a lot of trout in here.
Yeah.
Look at them stacked up over here.
I think I want to walk by the hatchery, see if there's bigger ones. Snag him?
Yeah, but I also need. Hey, bud, come down, come down, come down. Oh, it's just his top. Sorry, bud. Sorry, please. Dang, look at him. He has like black eyes. Sorry, bud. Hey, look at that. Oh! Nice and green.
All right.
Nice rainbow. Look at that colors. There he goes. That's like number 12.
There you go.
He jumped out the door.
Yeah, that's a bigger one.
That's a nice one. Whoa! Quick release.
Yeah, these red ones aren't very tasty either.
Yeah, because that one still has some more.
Kelp. Good try. Still on Front Street. Or Creek Street. I mean, yeah. Alright, there you go. Okay, it's a little bit of walk, but it stays up to it.
Oh my goodness. He's jumping like crazy.
Alright, take him out.
Alright, come here, buddy. Did you see how many trout I had following?
Yeah. You can loosen the drag some too.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. But no, they're like salamanders,
Yeah.
especially when you wet your hands. Nice one. Getting some bigger ones now.
There he's got one.
Oh, yeah, that was quick.
Nice one. You got snagged, huh? Be careful. Maybe put the boot in the water if need be. Just don't go too deep. Need help?
No!
Did he come off?
Yeah, got caught in my damn pants.
Hold him up. Nice one.
Yeah. Looking around there.
Beautiful.
Good trout. Can't even fit my hand around him.
Man, you guys pulled that down to right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, right under there. Got this all caught on me.
Okay. Hooked in your pants.
Oh, wow, it's a good one.
Yeah.
No.
You have a fishing pole.
Is this how you catch one?
Got him. There he goes, huh? You swim off?
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
Let's see if they bertha back there. Probably because I caught their master.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, big guy, big bertha is sitting there. I bet down by where that thing is, there's tons of them. That's where big bertha came from. Came from over by that waterfall.
Yeah.
I bet there's a bunch over there. Just walk along this old tree over there. Yep. Really?
Oh, did you have one?
Here's a snag. Alright, cast out there. Oh, what is that? He's gold! That's a palmetto! There's a gold one! There's a palmetto, he's gold and black!
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah.
Oh,
there you go. Take your time. Pull them in. Whee! Let's see, bear.
God damn. Stop!
Nice work, bear. Yeah.
Alright guys, we had a great day fishing today in Alaska. I caught around 100 fish today, really good day on trout. I caught around a little 3-pounder or something like that. Good day overall. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos. We're going to have a lot on Alaska. Hopefully catching some halibut here soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.